Okay, so this is where we sampled the plus 80 sample, and this is characterized by mostly sulfates. It's matrix supported. There's large class and it's poorly sorted. And it goes from about like 10 to 20 centimeters from the top of the pit. And let's see. Let's get it in there. And is about 40 centimeters thick. This is the place where we sampled the plus 50 sample from, which over on the side of the pit you can see that there's some laminations or beds. It looks to be cross-bedded. There's less halite, or there's no halite in this unit, and it's fairly poorly sorted and very coarse. So beneath this laminated layer, there is a unit that is about 10 centimeters in thickness. Let's see if I can get a good exposure of it. The contact is right about here. And this unit we sampled on the other side of the pit on the 3rd of September. So here is where we sampled that unit from. This is directly on top of the halite. And this unit is very fine silt, and it has some bands of mottled halite, and it's laminated, very finely laminated, centimeter size laminations. Okay, so beneath that is the halite unit, and it's fairly coherent. It's been a good marking point. You can see it along here. Say it's about 7 to 10 centimeters in thickness. And it's crystalline and massive. It has these like vertical structures to it from where the salt precipitated or dried up. Okay, so beneath that, we took 4 samples of these clay units towards the bottom of the pit. And directly beneath the halite unit, we sampled, this sample is named, let's see, so minus 10 is the next one we sampled. And that was sampled from right about here. And this unit is has like alternating bands of silt and clay, and there's some really good pictures of them, but there's about centimeter sized beds, and you can kind of see them here. These banded units, like alternating from coarse to fine grained material. Okay, so that was sampled from there. And then the next one down is the minus 35 centimeters, which was well sorted, and it was immediately above a very sandy, coarse layer. Then there were 2 samples taken from the bottom, so here and here, and those are minus 50 and minus 65. The minus 50 layer, you can see here, was really smooth, well sorted, silt-sized particles, and it was very finely laminated. And then beneath that was minus 65, which was also pretty finely layered, medium silt-sized, and this is the largest clay unit we could see, which is about I'd say 20 centimeters across. And this unit had a lot